Hello, today we will guide you through how to calculate percentage in Google Sheets. To begin, open the sample Google Sheets spreadsheet shown on your screen. This is where you'll enter the formula and see the percentage calculation in action. If you're following along in your own spreadsheet, that works just as well. The process is the same whether you're calculating percentages for sales, grades, progress, or any other data. Once you're in the sheet, the basic idea is simple. A percentage is found by dividing one value by a total. In Google Sheets, you do that by entering a formula in a cell. Type equals, then the value, followed by a /, and then the total. In other words, enter equals value divided by total. For example, if one cell contains the part you want to measure, and another cell contains the full amount, your formula would divide the smaller value by the total value. As soon as you press enter, Google Sheets will calculate the result for you. In many cases, the result may first appear as a decimal, and that's completely normal. A decimal like 0.25 represents 25%. If you prefer, you can also follow the on-screen procedure shown in the sheet. This is helpful if you want to visually confirm that you're selecting the correct cells instead of typing everything manually. When you click into the formula bar or a blank cell, you can build the formula by selecting the cell with the value first, then typing the division symbol, and then selecting the total cell. This reduces errors and makes the formula easier to create, especially for beginners. As you do this, make sure the total is the full amount you want to compare against. If the wrong total is used, the percentage will not be accurate. It's also a good idea to double check that the cells contain numbers and not text, since text entries can prevent formulas from working properly. After entering the formula, you can leave the result as a decimal or format the cell as a percentage if needed. That makes the output easier to read and more familiar for most users. And that's all there is to it. Open the spreadsheet, enter the formula by dividing the value by the total, or follow the on-screen method to select the cells directly. With that simple formula, you can quickly calculate percentages in Google Sheets with accuracy and confidence.